Hi Monarchs, welcome to the week of September 30th through October 6th. If you look at the in-class assignments this week, you will see that we are going to finish reviewing our STEMscopedia as well as the notes that go along with it. We will also be doing an atoms simulation in class, and we're going to do a Kahoot review for the quiz. Notice that all missing work for the topic of the structure of an atom is going to be due by the test time. On our online assignments, or your virtual assignments at home, we are going to do the ED puzzle on the elements, compounds, and mixtures. Please watch the video and answer the questions. There will be a quizzes and a study guide. You can find additional study materials under the Materials tab. I would like for all of you guys to please make sure that you are checking your Schoology every morning. And you can check it in the morning for some updates. If you look here at this Schoology, you'll see that this is from Wednesday, September 30th through Tuesday, October 6th. Your online assignments this week. Your Schoology will look just a little bit different depending on your core or hour that you are in. There's going to be an Ed Puzzle, and there's a link. It says go to edpuzzle.com and enter the code for your class period that you will find on your own Schoology page. There is also a quizzes game. You will click on the link and go to joinmyquizzes.com. Please enter the code for your hour that is posted on your Schoology page. When you get to the quizzes, please register with your real first and last name. You must do this in order to get credit. When you do the quizzes, I would like for you to try to get at least a 70%. If you get better than that, that is fabulous. If you do not get a 70% on the quizzes, I would like for you to redo the quizzes, and the next time that you add your name, please add like the number 1 after it. You can actually do the quizzes as many times as you would like. Just add a number after your name. You will also complete the study guide. On the study guide, you may redo the study guide up to 3 times to practice for the test. A look ahead, during the week of October 7th through October 13th, we will start off our classes in person, reviewing for our quiz for the first 10 or 15 minutes, and then you are going to take your post-quiz over the structure of an atom. Then I just want you to point out that all of your missing work needs to be turned in before your quiz. So please check Infinite Campus so that you can see what missing work that you might have. I wanted to show you one of the hours here. If you look over here to the right, notice this is the Structure of Matter study guide that you can click on. And here will be your Ed Puzzle, just a reminder in the calendar, and your quizzes, a reminder in the calendar that those things are going to be due. Don't forget to click on the Show More down below. Notice on this page, I have entered the code for that specific hour. If you have any questions, please make sure that you send me an email, or you may send me a message on Microsoft Teams. Hope that you have a good week.